Hi, I'm Katie Skilton and welcome to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be sharing this Happiest birthday wishes card made using the new collection from My Creative Life called Gorgeous Girls. So I'm going to be using the All Dressed Up die set, the Fabulous Sentiment stamp set and some Creative Craft product heart dies. Thank you for watching today. If you liked this video, please hit the like button at the bottom. If you'd like to see more content, please remember to hit the subscribe button, and I shall hopefully see you all again soon.